Wait. Let's back up a few days to understand what's happening here.
Oh bhai, go. Bro, we are coming to Shillong tomorrow. কি কবে? You're kidding, right? Nah, I'm not kidding. গোটেই পল্টন আহি আছো। ঠিক আছে মানি লৈছো বাৰু আহি আছো। But what's the plan, dude? আৰে আমাক প্ল্যান লাগে নেকি? We just head out for adventure. Oh my god. বঢ়িয়া। আহি যা বে। See you tomorrow, man. Awesome. কালি লগ পাই আছো বে।
I said to myself, you cannot wait and see.
So I just left my place and I'm heading to the hotel where my friends are staying. They're staying at a place called the Phoenix Residency. So I'm going to meet my friends there, and from there on we will start our journey.
What the cause? I kept it to myself, no need to straighten the lines. But now it's time to leave it all behind. She's out of her mind.
So I've reached Phoenix Residency and I have met my friends. They are taking out the cars as I speak right now, and we are going to start our journey, and it's going to be a really epic one.
I know it's hard to see. All she ever wanted is me. Consequences of our sins doesn't have to be that bad. The summer's closing in. It was the best time I ever had. And the rest is history without an end. I still think of her sometimes to my defense. What is she doing now? How is she
So we are on the way to Cherrapunji right now, and as you can see, the weather is just absolutely sublime. We just stopped here to watch the canyons in the back, and it's a little foggy. The air feels really good on the face, and we're having a really good time. So we are only hoping that the weather stays like this amazing only on the way to Cherrapunji, and we'll keep you guys posted.
out of my mind? And I know it's hard to see. All she ever wanted is me.
Hey guys, so right now we're at Taintalan Falls, and it's a very beautiful place. As you can see, there's the waterfall at my backdrop, and it's raining. We are getting light drizzle, and it feels really fresh. The surface is really slippery, so we are trying to be very careful about our steps because it's really slippery and people are falling everywhere. I was just about to fall, but we're having a good time. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted.
She's out of her mind, but at least I let her be.
So we are creating some fiction right now so that we don't slip because we have been slipping. So that's why we and Sanjeev are creating some friction.
Friction, man.
So some friction. How do you feel the friction?
Basic physics.
ज़्यादा friction हो गया Sanjeev.
Oh, this is basic physics, man. Now we all hope is that we don't sleep. That's it.
Exactly.
That's it. We covered our basic physics. Now let's hope we don't sleep.
We are making our through to the edge of the waterfall. As you can see, there is a wooden rift here, and we are trying to get to the edge of the particular waterfall right there. So I'm enjoying our much. I just slipped right now, so the surface is quite slippery, but so we are having to be very careful, and but we are still making our way.
Hey, just look at the view of the waterfall at my backdrop. It is looking absolutely stunning. We're getting such a bird's eye view of the waterfall. It's so beautiful. This is such an amazing spot to be. If you visit this waterfall, make sure you get up to this particular point, because from here you get to see this absolutely majestic view of the waterfall. So guys, right now we are making our way back from the Enthran waterfalls. It was an absolutely amazing view. We saw the waterfall, we went to the ridge, and we saw picturesque mountains and just amazing landscape. This is the beauty of Meghalaya, this is the beauty of Cherrapunji, and that's the beauty of life, I guess. So I will make our way to some other locations and our journey continues.